which is so much more flavorful than steaming them. So, let's go. So let's start cooking the first of 3 dishes. As you see here, we're chopping approximately 1 inch of our partially dried asparagus ends. See that? Big difference, huh? If you are looking for the list of ingredients, no worries, I've got you. Feel free to screenshot the list of ingredients for this recipe as they appear throughout the video. Like here. Done yet? So we'll place them in cool water for about 30 minutes. My brother, shout out to Weezy, taught me this technique, and that'll give us time to prep. Step cannot be skipped if your vegetables are going to be thrown over hot coals. Okay, so while the asparagus spears are chilling back there, we'll start our garlic parmesan oil. Using the same smash and chop technique I showed you in my Jamaican jerk rasta pasta video, we're going to mince 4 cloves of garlic. Have you seen that video? I'll link it for you at the end if you haven't seen it. I pulled out my Weber grill to smoke some of my oxtail, guys. It was so good. The smoked flavor took my rasta pasta to another level. Your girl's been busy. Now, if you don't like a lot of garlic, then don't put a lot of garlic in the dish. My family loves garlic. If your family doesn't like garlic, you can get away with using 2 cloves. That's okay. Just adjust the amount to your liking. Remember, your family, your taste buds. Now, since this dish is called roasted Parmesan asparagus, let's use our 30 minutes wisely. Okay. I'm going to clean my board before shredding this block of fresh Parmesan cheese. If you can find fresh cheese in your store, please use that. The Parmesan in the green bottle cannot compete with freshly grated cheese. Fresh Parm is nutty and has a nice, mild, aged flavor. And this right here is called our secret ingredient. So shh, don't tell nobody. Okay, so our 30 minutes is up. Grab a shallow baking dish and lay our washed and trimmed asparagus on it. We're going to drizzle about a tablespoon of avocado oil, all of our parm, garlic, and about a teaspoon of sea salt onto the asparagus. Make sure each crease and crevice is seasoned. Ain't nothing worse than dry asparagus than unseasoned asparagus. Lord knows. I saved the rest of the cheese to sprinkle over my roasted potatoes. That video is coming up before my grilled blackened salmon recipe. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss that drop. The blackened salmon and roasted potatoes complemented these roasted Parmesan asparagus perfectly. And you know we have to hit this with our ground peppercorn and no sodium seasonings. Your hands should be clean, so let's get working. Transferring our veggies onto an aluminum foil lined rack. We're going to carry these outside to throw over hot white charcoal. I'm hungry just editing this video. Oh my God. Look. I'm watching just like y'all, shoot. My. That sure look good. After about 8 or 9 minutes, your roasted asparagus is ready to snack on. Smoke cooked through and through and still have that crunch too. So if you enjoyed this video, please come back for part 2 of 3 videos. You don't want to miss the blackened salmon or the roasted potatoes video. Thank you guys for spending time with me. My name is Naj. I'll see you later.